In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your calendar view on Fresha, a comprehensive guide that breaks down the steps to navigate the user-friendly interface of Fresha for Business. Changing the calendar view can significantly enhance how you manage your appointments, personalize your scheduling, and ensure you're maximizing your business efficiency. Whether you're new to Fresha or looking to refine your scheduling process, this guide is designed to walk you through each step with ease. First and foremost, we must access the Fresha platform for businesses. Open your preferred web browser and type in https://www.fresha.com/for-business. This URL will lead you directly to the Fresha for Business page, which serves as your gateway to all the scheduling and management tools offered by Fresha. Once you've arrived at the Fresha for Business page, the next step is to log in to your account. Look for and click on the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will reveal several login options to choose from. Among the login options, you'll find For Business. Select this to proceed with logging into your business account. This option ensures you're accessing the platform with the correct permissions and settings tailored for business use. Next, for those who have linked their Google account for a more streamlined sign-in process, click on Sign In using Google. This convenience eliminates the need to remember an additional password and speeds up your login process. It's also a testament to Fresha's commitment to a user-friendly experience. After clicking the Google Sign-In option, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Select the account associated with your Fresha business profile. This step is crucial for linking your Google account securely and accurately to your Fresha business account. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your calendar, the heart of your scheduling and appointment management. To do this, visit https://partners.fresha.com/catalog/services or locate the calendar option directly within the Fresha dashboard. This page is where all your scheduling magic happens, allowing you to overview, plan, and adjust your appointments as needed. Within your calendar, you'll have several view options to choose from. For starters, you can click on Day to view your appointments scheduled for a specific day. This view is perfect for a detailed hour-by-hour breakdown of your day's bookings. However, Fresha understands that every business has unique needs. Therefore, it offers the flexibility to change your calendar's view to suit those needs better. You can switch between day every 3 days or week views based on what works best for you and your business. Switching views can be done effortlessly by selecting your desired view option. Each view provides a different perspective on your schedule, allowing you to plan and manage your time and resources most efficiently. For instance, the day view is excellent for a detailed schedule of a single day, allowing you to navigate through your daily appointments seamlessly. However, if you wish to view and manage a broader time span, changing to the week view will give you an overview of the whole week. This is particularly useful for planning ahead and ensuring you have a balanced workload throughout the week. The every 3 days view sits comfortably between these two perspectives, offering a more extended outlook than a single day without committing to a full week's glance. Remember, these changes are designed to cater to varying business needs and personal preferences in managing schedules. Fresha's versatile calendar views allow you to tailor the interface to suit your specific scheduling style better. In summary, accessing and navigating through your Fresha calendar is straightforward and user-friendly. By logging into your Fresha for Business account, you can seamlessly manage your appointments and tailor your calendar views to match your scheduling needs. Whether you prefer an in-depth daily breakdown, a 3-day outlook, or a comprehensive view of your week, Fresha provides the tools to make appointment management simple and efficient. And that's it. You now know how to change your calendar view on Fresha, making it easier than ever to keep your business running smoothly and ensuring you stay on top of your schedule. Fresha offers a suite of features designed to enhance your business operations, and mastering your calendar view is just the beginning. Thank you for watching, and make sure to experiment with these calendar views to find the one that best fits your business needs.